Hi guys, my name is Christina Nietzsche, and today we are going to be talking about the VacMaster VP321. The VacMaster is made out of stainless steel. It weighs in at 210 pounds. The dimensions are 22.25 by 20 by 20.5 inches. The VP321 is powered by a strong, durable 1.5 horsepower pump. Inside, there are two 17-inch seal bars on each side of the machine that allows for increased production. With commercial technology, this is a favorite of supermarkets, restaurants, and large processors. The huge dome lid is actually made out of very thick plexiglass, and the overall chamber height is actually up to 7 inches. One thing to note is that the VacMaster VP321 does run on oil, so you will need to make sure that the reservoir is up to the minimum amount. As long as you take care of your VacMaster, this machine will last for years. You're going to be able to extend food life and also maintain food quality and reduce freezer burn over time. So now I'm going to give you guys a quick demonstration on just how amazing the VacMaster VP321 works.